It's your girl, Hydrating Beauty, and I'm back with another video. So today, we're gonna be doing a soft glam face, and I'm gonna show you a little step-by-step little process that I do to do my face. If you like a soft glam contour, especially if you're a woman of color, you're really gonna like this video because it kind of gives us a look that stays all day. And then also it's a look that looks good with anything. Like you can do anything to your face and you be looking like a bad bitch. You feel me? Let's go ahead, get into this video. And thank you again for watching, okay? Because you could have been anywhere else, but you chose to come here. And just to let you guys know, I am currently trying something new with my camera. I found out that 4K actually works on the back of the camera. Note that. 4K works on the back of the camera, not the front screen. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but I just realized that it won't go 4K on my front screen. I have like my settings set to certain things. So, yeah, let's just get into the video, right? We're gonna start off with the Tatcha primer, okay? Just that silk, a liquid silk canvas, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that first. So yeah, let's do that. If you see me venturing off from the camera, I'm just looking at my little mirror because I cannot see myself in the camera anymore. Oops. A little up there. I probably shouldn't put that up here anyways because I had already did my brows and put a little primer up there before I put my concealer and my brow stuff on, because my head been breaking out. If you can't tell, with these dark marks at the top and in the middle, like right here and all right here, these are not freckles, okay y'all? These are actual dark marks. I look like crap, and yeah, that's the truth about my life. I don't know what's going on. People that know me know I do not usually get, you know, acne and you know, facial operations, you know, type of things. So I'm not used to this life, but you know, I've been really trying to get my skins together. So maybe if I get like a whole entire skincare set, I can take you guys on a little skin adventure with me for this forehead. All right, next up, we're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty foundation. That's all I got left. Don't know what to tell you. What to tell you. Okay. So now we got our foundation fully on and covered, y'all. And be tall. Oh shit, I just dropped my thing. I'm gonna still use it though. 5-second rule. Setting spray on there. This is set it in there. I just like to do this. Y'all don't have to do it. It's really not necessary. I personally do it because I put a lot of products on and I know it's about to get crazy. Put it everywhere. You won't do what you want to do with your own face. I'm going to go ahead and beat my concealed places. Just want to get a little wet because it's a little dry from yesterday. I washed these yesterday, so they're a little stiffy whiffy. So just wanted to get a little damp. So I'm just gonna beat up these places with my beauty blender. Okay. This is the one shade lighter than Toffee, which is Warm Honey. Ooh, that wasn't me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing I did again. This time, we're gonna be a little more gentle though. We're gonna use a different brush to blend it in. What we're gonna do first is kind of just stamp it in there with this brush here. You see how that? It's like giving this glow. We're not gonna do it too much. It kind of buffers it around it for you. So we're just gonna clean up around it a little bit, but leave it as is because remember, we're gonna contour after this, all right? Next, we're going to contour. Mix, conceal, correct, contour. Cream kit. I mean, it doesn't say cream kit, but it's cream. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me, it's gonna work. I mean, but go along with your own face too. You ain't gotta actually follow my steps of where to put it, but that's where I put it. It's where it's gonna be. Huh? No. What, you said in the morning? That's boring. What am I supposed to do? Say bye, Pinky. Messed up on that little piece that went right here, but we'll be alright. We'll be alright. Okay. So it's perfectly okay to get the contour all over the place because when we start rubbing this in, it's alright, baby. Now, remember, you guys, trust the process. You have to trust this process, or it's not gonna work for you. Okay? If you want to follow along, you can. If you're not going to trust the process, then you're not going to get the same results as me. So, even though I look like I'm all over the place, trust it. Trust it. This is how I do my makeup all the time. And we're going to get into that nose contour, and we're going to really Mercier translucent powder. Okay. Let's go ahead and clean this up. I like to take this big old brush I got from Morphe. It's the M527. M527. But yeah, let's go ahead and just dust that thing off. Just dust it all off. We ain't done yet either. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this contour kit, right? Take this brown guy, this brown one right here. Take it, put it where the contour was, and I'm gonna start rolling that thing around. We're trying to make the best little blend of skin. The little napes down here. Make sure you get all around here. Make sure you get all around your head. Everywhere you contour. Every freaking way. You have to keep doing this, guys, because you don't want to dry makeup going on. If you feel like it's getting dry, throw a spray in there, girl. Throw a spray in there. So now we're going to take this little dark purple thing. Stamp. We're done with that on the stalls, y'all. Contour kit. Next, I'll take the same brush, and then I like to go in and get just a little rosy pink. So this is old fake little Kylie Jenner palette, and I just like to dab into this little pink color just to get a little blushes on there. Looks pretty much done. What I like to do after this is I like to go in with my fave scent spray again, because it's a powder, so I just like it to melt in there again. I don't want nothing cakey and looking crazy. Like, I'm just crazy like that, okay? And y'all already know what I'm about to do. Mama, hey, mom, baby, mom. Perfect. It looks good. I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. It looks pretty good to me. I was really nervous about this video. I messed it up yesterday a lot of times. So I feel really good about it today. I feel really good. I like to generally do is I like to go with the same brush. I like to clean a little bit off and take this little guy. This is E.L.F. This is called the Blush Gems. So I guess it's for blush or add to a blush. But I like to take it just so I can stamp it in there. It's gonna give it a slight glow. You see how it just gives me a little something not taking over the party. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get my matte gold deposit highlight out. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off a little bit and then let it go and pat on the top. Yes, see, and we're just gonna curve up with that bone. You see the bone leads around. So I'm just gonna follow that bone, boop, boop. Take this again. Spray my Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Cognac Candy Color. This is a new one. This is my favorite right now. This is not moving on its own. It's just, well, it's crazy. I'm like touching the product and it's really not. Let me try to do this. No. That's crazy. This product doesn't really move. You gotta kind of grab it. Okay, was there a special brush I was supposed to buy with this? I'm just gonna dab it like that because I've been using it. I haven't been catching too much. This is why I was like really scared to do that right now. And I've just been sitting here struggling, y'all. Struggling. And all I have to do is just grip this. Oh my God. And now look how much I got off. I like to go and just highlight that little jaw temple there just in case the light hits. Looks pretty much done, y'all. All I gotta do is just go in here, do my lips, and I'm done. So I'll see y'all when my lips is done. All right, guys, I'm back, and this is my finished look. I don't have on no fancy outfit or anything. I'm just wearing house clothes. I just got this shirt for myself actually when I was in Vegas recently. My girlfriend took me to Vegas. Yeah. Spoiled. And this shirt was like $7. $7. But you guys like my finished look? I hope you do. Look at my long ponytail. My ponytail go long, y'all. It go long. Look, I put a little clip on here to make it look fancy. To go with the clip in the back. Yeah. I'm supposed to go just straight back, like, you know. Like, I love these. I love these ponytails. It's like my favorite natural look to do. Cause what did we do today? We look good, y'all. Like, you look good. I know you look good. Period, poo. Friend. YouTube. Family member. Whoever's watching this. God. Have a beautiful day. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Put on your phone notifications, you know, so you can be tuned into the next look. Hope you guys like the look today, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're well informed about a beautiful soft glam natural look. Thank you. And thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for kicking it with Gotti Beauty. Bye.